Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Responsible AI Development, Implementing Ethical AI Practices. Imagine you're building a new bridge. You wouldn't just slap it together, right? You'd think about safety, how it affects the community, and if it's fair for everyone to use. Building AI is similar. As developers, we're not just writing lines of code. We're creating tools that can impact people's lives. This lesson is about understanding why responsible isn't just a buzzword, but a crucial part of developing AI that is beneficial, fair, and trustworthy for everyone. Think of responsible AI as a set of guiding principles, like a doctor's oath to do no harm. For us, it means designing, developing, and deploying AI systems in a way that prioritizes fairness, transparency, privacy, safety, and accountability. From a developer's perspective, this means asking critical questions at every stage. Is my data fair? Can I explain this AI's decision? Have I protected user information? It's about being a thoughtful creator, not just a coder. Imagine you're training a robot to identify apples, but you only show it red apples. If it later sees a green apple, it might say, "That's not an apple." AI can develop bias in the same way. If our training data, the information we feed the AI, mostly reflects one group or perspective, the AI can make unfair or incorrect decisions about others. As developers, our job is to critically examine our datasets. We need to ask, is this data representative? Are there hidden biases that could lead my AI to discriminate in job applications, loan approvals, or even healthcare diagnoses? Have you ever used an app that made a weird suggestion, and you wondered, why did it do that? With complex AI, this why can be a huge mystery, sometimes called a black box. Transparency means understanding how an AI system works, and explainability means being able to tell a human why the AI made a particular decision. From a developer's viewpoint, this involves choosing models that are easier to interpret, even if slightly less powerful, or developing tools to help explain the reasoning of more complex models. We need to be able to justify our AI's actions, especially when those actions have significant impacts. AI systems often process vast amounts of personal information, your photos, search history, health data, and more. Privacy in AI is about making sure this data is collected, stored, and used responsibly, with user consent and strong protections. Security is about preventing unauthorized access or misuse of that data. As developers, this means implementing robust data anonymization techniques, making data unidentifiable, encrypting sensitive information, building secure access controls, and adhering to strict data protection laws like GDPR or CCPA. We are the guardians of our users' digital privacy. If a self-driving car gets into an accident, who is responsible? The car owner, the AI developer, or the car manufacturer? Accountability in AI means clearly defining who is answerable for the actions and impacts of an AI system. For developers, this means thoroughly documenting our design choices, understanding the potential risks of our AI, setting up proper testing and validation processes, and ensuring there are mechanisms for human oversight and intervention. It's about taking ownership of the technology we create. So, how do we actually do this? 1. Data audit. Regularly check your training data for bias and representativeness. 2. Diverse teams. Build AI with teams that reflect diverse perspectives. 3. Ethical guidelines. Establish and follow clear ethical guidelines for your projects. 4. Test. Beyond functionality. Test for fairness, robustness, and potential misuse. 5. User feedback. Actively seek and integrate feedback from users on AI performance and impact. 6. Documentation. Keep detailed records of design decisions, data sources, and risk assessments. It's about baking responsibility into our development lifecycle, not just adding it on at the end. Responsible AI isn't just a regulatory checkbox. It's fundamental to building AI that humanity will trust and truly benefit from. As developers, you are at the forefront of this revolution. By integrating ethical considerations into every line of code and every design decision, you have the power to create AI systems that are not only intelligent and powerful but also fair, transparent, and accountable. Let's build an AI future we can all be proud of. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.